Welcome to the Kindergarten Math Challenge. Ready to test your addition skills? What is 1 plus 2? The answer is 3. What is 2 plus 1? The answer is 3. What is 3 plus 0? The answer is 3. What is 0 plus 4? The answer is 4. What is 1 plus 5? The answer is 6. What is 2 plus 3? The answer is 5. What is 4 plus 1? The answer is 5. What is 3 plus 2? The answer is 5. What is 0 plus 6? The answer is 6. What is 5 plus 2? The answer is 7. What is 4 plus 3? The answer is 7. What is 1 plus 4? The answer is 5. What is 2 plus 4? The answer is 6. What is 3 plus 3? The answer is 6. What is 6 plus 1? The answer is 7. What is 5 plus 0? The answer is 5. What is 4 plus 2? The answer is 6. What is 1 plus 6? The answer is 7. What is 0 plus 5? The answer is 5. What is 2 plus 5? The answer is 7. What is 3 plus 4? The answer is 7. What is 6 plus 0? The answer is 6. What is 1 plus 3? The answer is 4. What is 2 plus 2? The answer is 4. What is 3 plus 1? The answer is 4. What is 4 plus 0? The answer is 4. What is 5 plus 1? The answer is 6. What is 6 plus 2? The answer is 8. If you want to get even better at math, keep practicing. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.